Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a makeup tag, so if that interests you, just keep on watching. So today's makeup tag is called What Makes Me Happy, Keep Calm and Tag On, and this was actually created by Kara C. I saw it on Abby Williamson's channel. She's really amazing. She's really funny. I love her editing and just how much thought goes into her channel altogether, and all her videos are really cool. So go ahead and check her out. I'll have her video as well as the creator video down below in the description box, so go ahead and check them out if you want to watch theirs. But it consists of 10 questions altogether. I feel like this is such an amazing tag because we all kind of need something that makes us happy at this time. So the first question: what is your favorite way to relax and unwind? I did already write everything down. So the first thing I put was YouTube videos. I really love to watch YouTube videos. That's just my thing. I love watching makeup videos, especially like the times when I would go to work. That's the thing that I would look forward to, is watching YouTube videos. During my break I would watch videos. So that's just a thing that I just love catching up on, like new beauty and seeing what everyone else is using and seeing old products come back and new products. I love that. I just love YouTube, and yeah, it's the place to be. Next thing I put is watching some of my favorite movies, especially on Netflix, and starting some new series. Especially right now, I think it's like the perfect time to start a new series because we have so much time in our hands. The only thing is that I feel so consumed by series. Like once I get into it, it's just I can't stop watching until the end. One series that I really recommend you guys check out is The Walking Dead. It's actually playing right now. They're in their season 10. It's so good. So this is like the perfect time to catch up on it because it's a whole 10 seasons, so you could watch all of them. A lot of the seasons are on Netflix, so if you want to check that out. I love The Walking Dead. Another thing is The Good Witch, which is something that I mentioned before. Good Witch is such an amazing show. I'm actually like on my 7th round of watching the series. I watched it 7 times. That's how much I love it. It's just such an amazing show. I really recommend you check it out. If you love like Hallmark movies, especially, it's not super Hallmarky like the movies, but it's like a little bit, I don't know how to explain it. It's just such a good show. You should watch it. The next thing I put is showering and putting some comfy PJs is another thing that makes me really happy. It just makes me feel good, and it's actually something that I'm gonna do right after I'm done filming these videos. I am filming multiple videos today, so you might see me in this lip gloss and shirt in other videos. But you know, just when you're feeling like bored, just go shower, take a long shower, relax, and maybe put some music in the shower, and then come out, put your favorite pair of PJs on, and lay down and watch a new Netflix show or watch your favorite movie. That's something that really makes me happy, especially during this time. Another thing is chocolate. I put a lot of things down. I guess I was bored. I love eating chocolate, and chocolate makes me happy as well. So I put chocolate, especially Hershey's, and funny videos. I feel like at a time like this, it's definitely a time where we should be watching funny things. I actually fell for the hype and downloaded TikTok. Didn't think I was gonna do that, but I did it, and it's very funny. Like there's a lot of funny videos on there. Definitely recommend you check it out. I haven't done any TikToks myself, but I'm thinking of making a couple in the upcoming weeks since we have so much time in our hands. So let's move on to number 2. Number 2, what is your favorite comfort food? For this, I put sushi. I love going to this specific spot where they have this sushi. It's called the Mexican roll. Oh my god, it's so good. It's like the perfect, it's just like the original sushi, the California roll, but it has more spice to it. Like it has a little bit of kick in it, and it's delicious, and it's so good and low in calories if you're counting. I'm still counting. I mean, I just don't want to go overboard since I'm snacking so much and gain everything that I lost. So I am still tracking myself. Let me know how you're doing on your, if you're trying to lose weight or whatever. But sushi is definitely comfort food for me. I love it, and it's really delicious. The other thing is chicken. Anything with chicken, anything with cheese. I love cheese. Anything with feta cheese especially. So good. I love cheese, chicken. Yeah. And I've really been into cheddar popcorn. It's so good, especially by, I believe it's Smart Foods. You need to taste it. It's really good. Cheddar popcorn is definitely something that's at the top of my list now. So good. Let's move on to number 3. Number 3, ASMR, creepy or relaxing. I feel like I'm in between not something that I look for. ASMR is something that I watched Jeffree Star do. I watched the whole video where he does it, and I feel like it's really funny. But when other people do it, it's kind of like there was one time where I watched one of a man eating chicken, and it's just nasty. Like I feel like anything with food where you could hear everything is just disgusting to me. So ASMR is definitely more creepy than relaxing to me. Let me know what you feel. A lot of people get relaxed by it. I just don't. I feel like it's creepy. Yeah. Number 4, who is your rock? For me, my family, my dogs, my boyfriend, everyone around me in my circle right now is my rock. Yeah. Number 5, what color makes you happy? For me, the color that makes me happy is lavender. I love purple, as I mentioned before. Lavender is such a relaxing shade to me, as well as like maybe mint green. Yeah. Number 6, what part of your makeup routine do you find relaxing? The most relaxing thing for me at the moment is bronzing my face. I don't know why, like it's just something that I take like forever doing, and it's relaxing, and I love seeing the transformation of how like chiseled your face looks. That's something that's super relaxing to me. Or even like putting lips, like some kind of lipstick on. Yeah. Number 7, what beauty product sparks joy for you? For me, the beauty product that sparks joy within my soul is liquid lipsticks. As you guys saw from my liquid lipstick collection, I have quite a few, so I have a lot of items that spark joy for me, especially if it's a color that I kind of forgot about. Like this one today is from the 99-cent store, and it's one that I mentioned in that video, and only $1, and it's so gorgeous. And I did pair it with a gloss on top, and it's just so beautiful, and it got me super excited. I have so many shades that I neglect and I forget about, but once I like remember and I'm like, oh, I could use this with this palette, it gets me so excited, and that's definitely something that sparks joy within me. Number 8, what TV shows, podcasts are you currently binging? So at the moment I had gotten into One Day at a Time, and that's a show that's about like a Cuban family, and it's really funny. I mentioned it before. Definitely that one that I recommend you catch up on, and it's actually back on the season. I believe it's season 4 that they're doing right now. So go ahead and check that one out. It's really amazing. I had started watching Charmed, the original Charmed series. I watched the first episode and half of the second one. I started watching it at night, and I'm such a scaredy cat that there was a man that was kidnapping girls, if you watched it, and it just freaked me out. So I stopped watching it because it was in the middle of the night. So I'm like, oh no, like I'm like someone that I can't watch scary movies because it just haunts me for days and it traumatizes me. So I am gonna get back to Charmed. It's just I'm gonna watch it during the day because I'm such a scaredy cat. I can't watch it at night. The next thing I wanted to mention was The Bold Type. Did just have their season finale. I believe they have like 5 seasons as well. It's such an amazing show, and it really hits a lot of like issues that we don't talk about that's not openly spoken about, and that people kind of neglect and kind of push aside. Such an amazing show. Definitely should watch it if you love anything from Freeform. I love the shows on Freeform. They're so good. Switched at Birth is another amazing show that I definitely recommend, as well as The Fosters. The Fosters is also amazing. And a show that I want to get into is Good Trouble, which is a kind of reboot of The Fosters. It's just with two characters from that show go on and move on their own and do all kinds of things, and that's a show that I really want to start watching. Number 9, what song, artist, or genre gets you pumped up? For me at the moment is Doja Cat. She's one that I discovered recently, and it's because of her song Say So. Such a good song. If you haven't listened to it, I'm obsessed with it right now, and I listen to it all the time. I love her music video. Such an amazing song. Definitely listen to it, and her other songs are really great as well. Lizzo is another person that I've really been into at the moment. Her songs are really amazing and just really good. I like her. Another one is Hoodie Allen. I love listening to his playlist. I love all his music. He's really talented, and he has really catchy music. I've mentioned him before. His song, literally gone blank on the song. It's called No Interruption by Hoodie Allen. Such an amazing song. Definitely a recommend. Also the song Believe by Hoodie Allen, amazing as well. Taylor Swift is another one that I love her music, especially I think it's called The Man. Such a great song. Definitely listen to it. Another song that I love listening to is by Normani, and it's called Motivation. Oh my god, such a great song. Definitely listen to it. Recommend all of those. Charlie XCX, an amazing one as well. So now we're on number 10, our last question. Number 10, who makes you happy on YouTube? And for this, the list was going on and on. I was literally putting down every single person that I follow. The first one that I mentioned was Smoky Glow, such an amazing channel. Definitely check her out. Christina Chang, I love watching all her updates on her project pans and things. She's such an amazing person. Love watching her. Whitney Hedrick, another amazing person that makes you think about how much you spend, and also like the beauty brands in general, and just spending habits, and a lot of like deep thinking. I really love her channel as well. She really makes you think. Nicole Fisher, another amazing person if you love BoxyCharm. OMG Lashes, such a great person to see like new makeup stuff like on the face and a full face of new makeup, and she's really great, really talented. Monica AP, such a great channel. I love watching her. She's amazing as well. Little Miss Nat, another amazing person. My So-Called Life 1977, yes. Kaylee Wesley. Juicy Jazz, if you haven't watched her, amazing channel as well. Kate White uploads super frequently. I love her channel, and she's so talented as well, and she's always doing collabs with people. Always Ariel, another amazing channel. Gold Star Work. There are so many channels that I wanted to mention that make me happy, and I love seeing their uploads because they're still consistent and they're not letting this virus take over their lives. And you know, our motivation is definitely going down. I feel like mine is picking back up. In the beginning it was kind of because everything was different, but now this is kind of our new reality, and I'm really happy that people are still posting and keeping up with their channels and not just giving up on them. So thank you to every single person that's still uploading, because you're making people's days and you're really motivating people to get on here and start posting on their channels if they've been neglecting them. I really appreciate each and every one of you that still posts, and it's just, you're truly making people, you're giving people something to watch and making them happy and making them feel less alone. So thank you to everyone that's still posting, and we made it to the end. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. All the questions are down below if you want to copy them down, you want to do this tag. It was really amazing. Check out the creator as well as Abby Williamson, another amazing YouTube channel that you should definitely check out. They're going to be down below, as well as some videos that I uploaded last week. If you want to give those a watch, go ahead and head down there. Don't forget that I upload every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every other Sunday, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high-end. I'm soon going to start my palette lottery again, so if you want to keep up with that, go ahead and follow me there. And it would be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You are your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.